This guide will help you make your Samsung phone calls sound better by setting a custom caller tune using your favorite song. It is a simple process that takes only a few minutes and does not require any special apps. So, open the settings page. Once inside settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled Sounds and Vibration. Tap on it to open sound related settings. Next, select the ringtone option. If your Samsung phone supports dual SIM cards, you will be asked to choose which SIM you want to customize. Pick the SIM you use for incoming calls. Now tap the plus icon usually located in the top right corner. This will allow you to add a new ringtone from your storage. A file manager will appear showing all available audio files. Browse through your downloaded music and select the song you want to set as your caller tune. Once selected, tap Done to confirm your choice. After this, your selected song will automatically be set as your ringtone. From now on, whenever someone calls you, they will hear your chosen tune instead of the default ringtone, giving your phone a more personal and stylish touch. Overall, this method is safe, easy, and works on most Samsung devices running modern Android versions. You can change your ringtone anytime by repeating the same steps and selecting a different song based on your mood or preference. It helps personalize your phone experience and makes incoming calls more enjoyable every day for better user experience overall.